here are some pictures of my hair and what it looked like over the past 8-year period. I want you guys to see what I had and be able to compare it to what I'm about to show you. Okay, so let's get into the video. Hey guys, so today is the big chop day. I just removed my braid that I did myself, and I'm just gonna go wash my hair, activate back those curls, and then I'm gonna do the right. So I am gonna use
the Tresemme conditioner
to comb through my hair. Then I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Power Shimmer Conditioner. It's used to protect your color. So this conditioner that comes in the pack with the dye is very good. It makes my hair soft and it feels really good. So I'm just gonna put the Tresemme conditioner in my hand. Guys, I am very heavy-handed. Just take a look at the amount that's in my hand. Oh my god. All right, let's get into it. I'll be back. Oh, see those curls? Yeah. I'll be back as soon as I've showered and put on some clothes. So this is everything I will be using to do my big chop and to style my hair. Alright, so this is 2 hours after I had put the L'Oreal conditioner in my hair. I actually ran to the beauty supply store to get some moisturizer for my hair, because I feel like if I put the moisturizer on my natural hair, it would help me to differentiate between my natural hair and my relaxed hair. So I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my hair with the Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. Alright, so right now I am putting my hair into sections. I already started to moisturize this side. I'm actually doing it in 4 sections, and then I'm gonna start doing the chop. So I just realized
it was not recording when I cut it.
So here I am parting my hair into small sections. Add the moisturizer to it, make a nice little twist out, and then I use the scissors and just clip those relaxed ends because there are some little extra ones I didn't get. So I'm just making sure I get all of those out. I use the same Cantu moisturizer curl activator throughout my hair just to make it soft and easy to handle. As soon as I'm finished with this, I'm just gonna go tie my hair. I love my new look. I do not regret it one bit. I love how my hair looks. Honestly, I'm overjoyed right now. So what I did last night was, after I did the twist, I just tied my hair up and went to sleep. This morning I woke up, just pulled my twist out and add a little olive oil moisturizing cream just to give my hair a little shine. So now, behold this beauty. Look at that hair. I mean, I have some damaged ends, but it came out good. I'm gonna treat it and you will see it when it's good. Please ignore that yellow thing in my hair. I don't know what that is. I'm about to hit the street right now.
And I really appreciate you guys so much.
Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I have one more favor. Could you go give me a thumbs up, share my video, subscribe, turn your post notification bell on so you can see my latest videos. Leave me some lovely comments in the comment section and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.